So AI has been training itself for a while now. And this may have led all these big thinkers like the CEO of NVIDIA and OpenAI and others to say that AI is gonna take over all coding jobs. AI is gonna code better than any programmer alive today. But apparently that has not been going as well, because AI can hallucinate and sometimes it can create junk, and that is feeding junk into the models, and then it just propagates and it just becomes a cycle. So now the conversation is shifting to AI working in tandem with programmers, and there's gonna be a merge, and the same thing that has always happened with technology is gonna happen, where AI just makes you more efficient. So we cannot produce software fast enough. So AI is gonna actually allow us to produce software faster, be more efficient, so we can focus on higher level things. And that efficiency is what's gonna give us the ability to produce better stuff and increase your standard of living. So if you are like me, new getting into coding, that fear that, oh, we came in too late, AI is gonna take over, there won't be any jobs for coders, so there's no point. Then you can relax, because now is the time. Stop hesitating, get into coding. I would suggest Free Code Camp or the Odin project, and just start, go full force, and just by the end of the year have projects, have stuff that you can get a job. Just get into coding and just be learning AI while you're at it, because it's gonna be a merge. It's not just coding anymore, it's coding with AI. How to use AI to code faster and more efficiently, but still producing high level code. Which Vibe, I've seen a lot of videos on Vibe coding. You could still spot a lot of stuff, so you have to be able to spot all these errors and how to make it better. So now's your chance. Get in, and I'm already getting in. I'm doing this. If you want to follow along, somewhere from zero to full stack developer and working with AI, here's my journey. But either way, this is your sign. Just get into it.